Right, so only the OGs know where we're at. If you guys watched my last video the other day, we were here a few days ago. I literally lived here for my entire life up until like 4 years ago. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you tuning in today. As you can tell, we got the Nissan 350z behind us, and we're going to be getting something out of this garage here in a second. We're actually cruising down over, I think we're going to West Coast Exotics today, which is a really awesome car dealership here in Temecula, California. They're actually located right next to Sheepey Race, and I don't know if you guys have been on Instagram and like the car community lately, but Sheepey Race is like blowing up right now for all of their twin-turbo Huracans and Audi R8s that they do. So that's going to be pretty cool. Hopefully we see a few of those today, but we're going to be getting a car out of here in a second. Excuse my hair. I know it's basically quarantine again here in California. I haven't really been able to get a haircut, so you know, bear with me, bear with me. Move this real quick. Oh man, that Ferrari, nothing like a classic Ferrari. It's almost like they bought it wrecked and they're just putting it back together. Check it out, you guys. This is all carbon fiber right here. No engine. I wonder how long until they have this back together. Carbon hood. I don't remember the name of this, but like, what do you think's under there? Look at that wing. GTR. Right-hand drive. A little dusty. Maybe someday. Ducati. You guys, it's Tanner Fox Lambo.
The existing body, because a lot of those.
Yeah, they like remove the bumper.
Guys, yeah, that's shammy to me. I don't like that.
Yeah, and these are the blow-off valves right here. Dang. Probably. I don't know. Probably like 220. I don't even know. Is this one TT'd also? Oh yeah, also twin turboed. I mean, it is Sheepey Race. And they probably, oh look, there's another twin turbo Huracan over there too. Yeah, it wouldn't be Sheepey without the TTs. Alright, bye West Coast. They had some awesome cars in there.
This is the best car they don't have.
True.
You like this car though?
Oh yeah, so cool. It's like gauges of orange.
Yep. Back of orange.
Sweet. All right. Bye, Ferrari. We gotta race this in the Z next time. And then we'll race this in the Z next time, too. Okay, I'll be out here. Seriously, after being by that 348 for this whole time, the Z feels like a mid-sized sedan. It's pretty cool.
It's come apart in here somewhere. When you get this off, flip it over, there's probably screws from up underneath.
Yeah.
Take this top off, take this off, so that's got a sealer on it, but you just cut that.
Like a wire. Pretty much. It's, yeah, it's just the, like this rear bumper doesn't really need it, but I probably would do it just because of a match. Because look, I mean this and this are two different colors. Can't really tell, but you know, like this is happening. And then the other mirror is all the clear coat's gone on the other side. You know what I just say? I just say that this thing is so fast that the clear coat, it just flies off. You can't even keep it on there. All right. I mean, she ain't no Ferrari, but still a beast if you ask me. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I gotta go get a haircut right now. I have an appointment in like 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go over there and do that. I have a few awesome plans for the Nissan 350z here coming up in the future. I have to fix the front bumper, and I also have to fix the front lip because I don't know if you can kind of tell in some of the videos I've posted recently or the pictures I've posted on Instagram. The front lip is kind of like hanging off a little bit on the left-hand side, so I'm gonna fix that. Coming up here soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the Ferrari content. That car is amazing. I love the way that thing sounds. It sounds like nothing else, like a sewing machine, really. And like something about a Ferrari from the 90s, like it's just, I don't know if you guys have seen Wolf of Wall Street, but it gives me those vibes and it's just awesome. So I do know we have to race the Lambo inside there too, so you know, obviously we know it's gonna win, but I think it would be pretty awesome just to see how much slower the 350z is. And I think that the 348 might be slower than the Z, so we're gonna have to race the Z versus the 348 and really get an idea of how fast the Z is, because it'd be kind of interesting to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up down below or a comment if you want to see anything specific or have any questions, and please don't forget to subscribe because I would really appreciate you guys to join the family. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.